Thanks for joining me in this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a website for your Middle Eastern restaurants. If you've just randomly come across this video today, you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website. You can literally launch your own website for your small business in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my markets, Middle Eastern restaurant. There it is over there. Now I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty starts a few basic details about our Middle Eastern restaurant so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your restaurant is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's leave the type of business as restaurant, click on continue, and let multi sites work its magic and create a simple website for me. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even minutes. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of the delicious Middle Eastern flavors and meals you're serving up. We want to showcase them on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. Now, you don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our street address, our physical location. Awesome. The great thing about that physical location, when your customers click on the button, automatically will take them to Google Maps to get directions to your restaurants. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons for your channels will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom so customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, see what your business is up to. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we pre selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. If the colors don't quite go with your menu, your logo, you want to change it, click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm probably going to try a red, otherwise something quite neutral. I can change it at a later stage. Let's go with that one. Awesome. Let's head on over to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of free options on the website. Logo has now been uploaded just about. Let's wait for that to upload. There we go. Click on save. If you want to crop your logo, maybe add filters, frames, decorate it, click on the little pencil over there. I'm going to make my logo slightly bigger. Let's check it out. Awesome. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to the next section and click on update image. If you've got your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through your photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Mighty Sites will automatically search for Middle Eastern restaurant, but you can play around with the terms and the keywords a little bit and see what pops up. Awesome. Quite a few suitable images here. I'm going to go ahead and select that one because that's one of my favorite desserts. Let's check it out. That looks absolutely amazing. Love it. Let's head on over to update content. Over here, you can change the content to suit your needs. Button currently says order online. Maybe you don't offer online ordering system, so I'm going to go ahead and change it to view our menu. Awesome. Let's go ahead and choose link. Now you can link to another website if you do take online orders, maybe like a third party website. Otherwise, link to an action like click to call directions, click to email, or you can upload a PDF file, which I'm going to go ahead and do just that. I'm going to upload my Marty menu for all those people just like me that like to look at menus before they visit restaurants and pre order in their head what they're going to have. Awesome. Let's save that and move along. When our customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to our menu. Over here is where we can put our hours, trading hours. They will be displayed in the section once you have put them in over here. Awesome. Let's move along. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. 1 second. Let's just wait for the section over here to load. I think I accidentally refreshed the page. Let's have a look what's going on over here. Okay, now I'm going to refresh the page because I think I accidentally may have pushed a button there. So sorry about that. Let's have a look at our website now. Awesome. There we go. That's looking great. Let's move along. Everything is looking fantastic. There we go. Everything's loaded. So sorry about that. Over here in the About Us section, you can put a little bit more details of how your restaurant came to be, how you got into this industry. Um, Maybe it's a family run business. Go ahead and put all the details under the About Us section. Your customers would absolutely love to hear your story, how your restaurant came to be. Now, if you have a custom domain for your Middle Eastern restaurant, go ahead and click on Connect Your Domain. Say I already have a domain, go through the various steps and linking it. Otherwise, if you don't have a domain custom one for your business, maybe you recently launched your business, go ahead and click on I want a new domain. With a professional website, definitely comes a custom domain. So go ahead and purchase your domain via the Marcy Sites platform. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Middle Eastern restaurants. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, don't hesitate to comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about it is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video and give it a go.